An eagle is a large and powerful bird of prey that belongs to the family Eagles are known for their strong bodies, sharp talons, and hooked beaks, which help them hunt and eat their prey. They are among the top predators in the sky. Eagles have excellent eyesight. They can see prey from very far away, even while flying high in the sky. Their wide and strong wings allow them to soar for long periods without much effort, using air currents to glide smoothly. Most eagles eat fish, small mammals, birds, and reptiles. For example, the bald eagle mainly eats fish, while golden eagles often hunt rabbits and other small animals. Eagles build large nests called eyries on high cliffs or tall trees to keep their eggs and chicks safe. Eagles live in many parts of the world, including mountains, forests, rivers, and coastal areas. They are often seen as symbols of strength, freedom, and courage because of their powerful flight and sharp hunting skills.